came
For a
in.
green scratch, so I don't know if
Good
maybe a couple pennies on that.
morning.
Made a couple pennies, but it's a crap. I mean, it should have worked.
Worth the
Everyone.
risk.
Tom,
No, not at
the
all.
doctor
That
is
means those
in.
wings are getting bid, maybe.
Be sure to hit the
Not at
like and
all.
prescribe.
And then the other side is the ratio spread.
Ran a little late.
Mm-hmm.
Ran a little late again.
Doesn't make any sense to me.
We had a little boom
Stock's up
boom
$5.
situation.
Should have done better.
Boom
does not
boom
compute. Does
boom.
not compute.
Let's go back to my room. Little boom
Tell me
boom
to be better.
situation. A little bit
better,
of good
Sabo.
morning ramble
That's
time.
right. Do better.
Yeah.
Where I take some pills.
Don't like the tape action on the Russell so far this morning.
I'm running out of BPC
Nor do I.
157. That makes me sad. BPC 157
Let's see
is
what
the
we got
shit
here. Anything else that's jumping off the screen? Our
there's an
biggest loser is
alternative
Apple,
out there. that
and
I
our
can
biggest
get.
winner is the bonds.
A little bit of a loss in it.
Freaking FDA.
Baba and Baidu,
All right,
surprising.
let's see. We got that. We got
Baidu
that.
back down to
I
96.
take a baby aspirin.
Pretty
when you get
surprising move,
old.
wouldn't you agree?
Yes, totally.
And
When you get
let's take a look
old,
at
you're
Baba.
supposed to take a baby aspirin.
Take a look at Baba.
Pretty surprising move there. Down, to 103. Yeah. So we're gonna have to roll falls down in both
Good
those underlines.
morning.
But
Dow down 250. Russell down 6. Even the S&P's up 4.
Goldman Sachs, I bought the ratio spread back for 90 cents. I believe we sold it for,
Buck something, if I remember.
yeah, it was a crappy little win.
Excuse me, ice cold.
So-
Polar. So
Like a buck
freaking
48.
good.
I mean, but it
Ball
was
so
one by-
hard.
was it one
Ball
by-
so
by
hard.
3.
It's getting
Yeah.
close to
Crappy,
season.
way too much risk
In
No, I should have
hindsight,
received
in hindsight
my
for that amount of money.
organic shit yesterday, bro.
So Goldman Sachs, we basically
My
made
organic
tiny
underwear.
Yep.
and not worth the risk
shirts.
at all. And then the other
I
stock
don't know that
was
I saw tracking or anything. on
Citigroup,
that.
and in Citigroup, it's down $1 right now.
I think that was
We
new
made
yesterday.
tiny, not worth the risk at all. So the reason I bring that up is
Easily,
you bring this up,
blah,
Seth?
blah.
because earnings are important to me to see if the stuff's coming in. And
Was it a Tuesday?
What does this tell you about implied volatility if the earnings premium is not coming in
okay,
on these stocks that we did?
so we did Delta Airlines the other day, right?
Huh?
And in Delta Airlines, we
Ba-bum,
sold
bum.
a strangle, and the
Right,
stock was
I'm
inside the
getting,
expected
so
move,
tasty
and the trade
in the
didn't come in.
morning through the coffee.
We sold a strangle in
Don't
Tesla.
know. It's
Stock
hot.
moved exactly the
Oh,
expected
no,
move.
call your boss.
All right.
Make that post about your
Premium didn't come in
eyes.
till the
So
second day.
tasty.
Last night we did Goldman Sachs, well inside the expected
So
move,
tasty.
$15. It was $5. Premium didn't come in. Citigroup, well inside the
That's a
expected
few
move, $2.
things.
Premium didn't come in.
That,
Given
no,
what I'm seeing right now,
no.
premium wise, on these
Did not
binary
put
plays, these
in
one-day
the
plays,
timestamps yesterday.
I
Let me
don't
get
like
that
it.
done.
Well,
The video
you were
got
also
blocked.
trading the
Completely
monthly
blocked,
options.
bro.
Maybe the key is to go into the shorter dated options.
Put it on
Would have
edit mode right now. It
much
got blocked
bigger
because
Does it-
am I
sensitive
even
move.
streaming?
I obviously
I don't know
understand
that I
that,
am.
but when we're talking about dollars at risk, our
It
research
got
shows.
Then
completely
it's maybe
blocked because
directional,
of watching that
directional bias,
Saturday
and
Night
that's
Live
it.
shit.
Well, my
Are
point
you
is, the premium's
serious,
not coming
bro?
in.
No, you're
There's no way to slice it up. You can't sugarcoat this. It just is not a good sign for the kickoff of earnings season. I'll just leave it there and we'll see what happens.
Beautiful.
Looks like
Are
a
you ready
flat
to take a quick
market so
90-second
far.
break? Because I got a man waiting, chomping in the wings with a tasty extra.
Still
we got
blocked. I
Dr.
don't know. I
Data
think
coming
it
in
takes a
showing you
while.
our new back testing software. Enough. Are you ready for this?
Of course.
Oof. We'll take a quick 90-second break.
update.
Come back. We got more Tasty Live after this.
Yeah.
Alrighty, boys and girls.
At Tasty Live, we
We're
live
almost
and breathe the markets.
there.
But when the live show's over, are we out of breath? If you want to inhale the latest breaking market news, we've got you covered. The Tasty Live research team and on-air personalities
Well, things
post
are starting to get a
refreshing
little
content
wavy.
updated daily, covering earnings, economic reports, trade ideas,
Let's
and
talk about
much
the
more.
stock market.
If you want a breath of fresh air and not stale takes, visit the
I
News and
said
Insights tab
stocks
at
maybe yesterday instead
tastylive.com.
of market. What? All right. Whatever.
Decision to build Thinkorswim was a byproduct or derivative of 20 years. In our minds, the future of
All right,
finance
Coinbase
meant
is
that we
now
were going to move
green.
away
This
from
sucker went
something
up
that was
big
very
time
manual
yesterday.
and move to something
Remember,
that
it was like 181 and
tech-driven.
I needed it above 190.
What we did with
We
Thinkorswim
got that.
truly
And I had
changed
4
things.
days to
do
go,
it
and
a
it was going to be a
second
max
time was
loss on my put
challenge that I
spread.
just had to take. The
So it was
platform is just leaner, cleaner, a little meaner.
Well in the
legitimately
profit.
built from
I
scratch.
wouldn't say well, but in the profit.
My name is Mike Reckentine.
I could have kept it
also
on,
known as
but I rolled
Dr.
it, got
Data,
another
and I am,
credit. So
Managing Director and Head
we've
of Research and
gotten
Development at Thinkorswim.
$2.84
I
credit
work
on
a
this
lot within
since we've opened it.
the background of the content that goes out.
$5 wide,
hundreds
so
of
do the
programs
math.
that the research team uses.
But continue to
It's
roll
nice to
that
have the
sucker and
freedom
make
to work on
money.
a lot of different projects and a lot of
down.
really
I'm not
cool
gonna
things.
complain.
I really like writing. for
MicroStrategy
Lockbox
up
that's contributing at
4. It
The
was
utilities
down
are one
kind
of
of
my
big
favorite
yesterday, I
sectors.
think.
This kind of goes back to my history as a
Take a look
market
at that in
maker,
a
floor
second.
trader at the
NASDAQ
Chicago
up
Stock
10.
Exchange. It's an area I'm quite confident
Even
in.
the S&P
It's
up
an area that
2
I understand how
points.
interest
A pretty
rates have an
boring
impact on
market.
that
Oil
market.
getting
They also
killed.
are one of the best performing sectors.
Oil's down
past
big.
27
Futures were
years.
down big last
So,
night
utilities,
because
boring,
Israel
but
said
they
they're not
do
going
have
to
a lot of
attack any
advantages.
like
Advice to new
power
traders would be the same
plants and
thing that
oil
I
and
learned
shit,
when I was
just
young,
army
which is
bases or
just
whatever.
do something very simple. Buy
So that
something.
caused oil
It gets
to
you interested in
crash.
the markets because you got some
Silver
money
up
in the
a
game.
nickel.
Got trader's block? We've got the cure.
Gold down
Get
$1.30,
data-driven
but
trade ideas with cherry
which
picks.
is basically
Our weekly
nothing.
newsletter that gives you insights into the market.
26.64. I'm
Sign
not
up
sure
at
what all-time highs on that are.
tastylive.com/newsletter.
Probably over 27,
90% goes to S&P index
26,
funds. 10% straight to
27.08.
Is 20th Century Advice driving your 21st century
Alrighty.
portfolio? Tasty Live has joined forces with the CME and SIBO to offer the industry's first multi-exchange trading
Hunger
collaboration.
pain early.
Our new live event, Building a Complex Portfolio, puts active traders on the path to modern portfolio.
Well, I don't know what it
creation.
is about in the morning.
Tom
Hunger
Sosnoff and
pains
other
don't
Tasty
bother
Live
me as much,
personalities
but
will
at
cover
nighttime,
strategies that
bro,
help you integrate futures and options in your portfolio.
I just want to eat and eat,
Sign up
eat,
at
eat.
tastylive.com/events and see where we're headed next.
I have to contain myself. Last night, I almost snuck in a bag of protein chips right before bed, but I staved off the pain. I didn't do it.
Track your options, profit, and loss history over time per symbol.
I went to bed a little hungry.
Plan your tactics with a
Well,
trading
not
journal.
really,
Fund
you
your
know,
account and
just
start trading right in the
my
app.
mind said I was
Tools,
hungry.
data,
But I didn't eat for like 3
See it,
hours before
click it,
bedtime.
trade
Took
it.
some
Join the
magnesium
club.
glycinate and some glycinate.
Coming up on Bad Money with
Or
Jim
some
Blamer.
glycine.
Blamer's hot stock tip of the day.
And Optimal and jet fuel, maybe. I haven't seen those in a while. It was only 6 hours of sleep, but
Trade me for
apparently it was
tastytrade.com. Those guys are
optimal.
great.
So I
I love
gotta
those guys.
stick to not eating like 3 hours before bed. Wear the blue light
You can get up to
blockers.
$4,000 when
I
you
put the
open
blue
and
light
fund a new
blockers
account
on.
with
I haven't been
Tasty
doing
Trade.
that.
That's 4,000
I'll do the
buckaroos,
sun in the
4,000
morning, but I need to do it in
bills,
the afternoon
4K,
too.
$4,000.
I haven't been doing the red light
For
therapy
traders who
lately. I
just
need to
wanna
get back
trade.
on that
Tasty
tip.
Trade. Make your move.
Anyway, tangent off.
Tomas, we are back, my
I'm not
friend. You know
gonna
what
do
that means?
crypto yet.
Enough out of
This
you.
looks
We
so
got a
stupid
tasty extra
looking.
coming at you right here with my man, Dr.
He's a
Data.
big
Dr.
Bob
Data,
Dylan
why are you in the
guy,
office or
I
in the
guess. I don't
studios? And why
understand it.
are you going to show us what you're going to show us?
Ooh,
So this is a very
Bitcoin
exciting
66
feature that we
4.
have.
Eee, that
is
gets
this
me
you
excited,
testing?
bro.
Is
So we're
this
going
you
to get that in a
excited?
second.
This
Because
is-
it's
this is-
rare that
Holy
I see you
shit, that
excited
makes
like
me
this. You're very
happy.
animated.
This is, well, maybe 3 cups of coffee, 2 animated.
70K
No,
Bitcoin.
this is good. This is good news.
All right, full time.
Awesome. Show me what you got.
Okay, so on the platform, if you look at tastytrade.com/backtest, this is
Not on the platform, correct? On the web?
on the website. I'm
page?
sorry.
See how
Yep.
bullish
on
you
the
mofos
website.
are.
Yep, you gotta go to
Coinbase
the-
is moving
Yep.
back up.
You-
Looks
you
like
can
we're
see
moving
this,
a
our
little
new
bit.
Backtesting application that's available.
Giddy
with
up.
This little animated video here kind of explains what's going on here.
I'm
Now,
pretty
if you
sure
log
SPX
into
is
the
all-time
platform
highs.
itself, and
It's
you go to
actually down a little bit,
my.tastytrade.com, which
but
is the
way up in the
web-only version.
stratosphere.
This
So
is
can I
available.
back
They
you up
started
just a quick
clocking new
second?
all-time highs.
So if I go to the web platform.
And it is currently
web-based platform. And put in my
since the
username and
beginning of the
password that I
month.
put in anywhere
Log in just like
else.
before.
I'm going to
The
have
S&P
this
is up
already in there. It's only in the
1.5%
web
into
side of it. I'm going to have this already in there.
price
I can just click
discovery.
on back testing and
Nasdaq
bring it
not
right
at
here,
all-time
correct?
highs,
right.
but chugga chugga,
So when you log
it's
in,
coming
you'll get to
for
like
it.
a dashboard or
Chew,
something like this. And then you go over to
motherfudging
trading,
chew.
And then you click over to back
1% away.
testing.
Like it'll probably do that today, bro.
So it's going to have just back
IWM
again, so
risk
it's gonna have
on.
all my positions that I have in the desktop version.
Starting to
It's
get a little
exactly
jiggy.
the same exact thing. You
Starting to
can use
get a little
web-based if
jiggy.
you're not downloading it. Onto a
Volatility
computer
down
or
11
somewhere,
cents, but
well,
not
overseas
kinda high,
on vacation,
all things
maybe
considered.
enjoying
20,
yourself or something
20
like
on
that.
the VIX.
That's it. Or
20
you don't,
burger,
can't
a
afford
19 and a
internet,
half
you're at the
burger.
library,
Seems
and
kind
you
of high,
wanna
bro.
use a web-based platform. You can do it that
Yeah, I
way,
mean,
right?
Yeah, I
why
suppose,
is it?
yeah.
Seems kind of high. Stock market's at all-time highs, and volatility is kind of
So
mid.
when you log in, the first time you log in, you're going to have some compliance.
Coinbase still chugging along, baby.
And then you're gonna
Chew,
get- you click
motherfudging
accept,
chew.
And then you open up to this
Micro
page.
strategy, yeah.
So the
Well,
first
it
thing that you're going to do if you want to back test, and back testing is just seeing
And
how
I
well
guess
a
it gapped
a
up and then
position
came down, but it was all
had
the way up
worked
to
over time,
230 almost.
or historically had worked over time. And so let's click over here and
So
say
looking
the symbol that we
pretty,
want.
pretty,
So here I'm going to just say
pretty good.
SPY. Now we have
So how
about
many-
50 stocks right now. We have about 50
Yeah, and
stocks,
this is
and we're
the-
going to come out with about 200.
Is
in
this
just a
thing?
matter of
Is
just a
this?
couple
Is this thing
Data
on?
we're
It is
providing all for
expensive.
free,
Am I
right?
broadcasting? Holy
then
crap!
back
Why 50 stocks? Just based
Worst,
on liquidity?
worst audience
Yeah,
ever.
those some of the most liquid stocks. You know, the
Tesla 221, baby.
inquiring about. the most.
If
Then you can click
if you
down
don't
and you can
remember,
choose the interval.
there's a
Okay,
fight
so what I would do
going
with
on
something
between
like this is
Coinbase
I would
and
choose
Tesla.
something that's in a relatively short time
And right
span,
now,
okay?
Tesla, to
you
my
can go all the way
dismay,
back to
is
actually
winning. But I need
2013,
Coinbase to pull ahead
all the way at the bottom. You can
because
say
I
all
could
the way
have.
to 2013,
I considered.
the data that's available.
Long
You can
story
also
short, I had a
choose
bunch of
different
Tesla,
scenarios, like,
and I sold it
you
and
know,
bought
we got one
Coinbase,
here,
and
energy
then
sector
I mean
collapse,
I'm
which
way
was
up on that
2014 to
trade.
2016.
But at a certain point,
The
I was like,
post-pandemic
okay, maybe it's
surge,
time to sell some
2020 to
Coinbase and get some
2021.
Tesla.
You can
And there
choose
was a
the
point where
tech
like
sector
Tesla
mania
was
of 2020 to 2021.
$260
You know, so you can
and
choose
Coinbase was like
different sectors,
$160,
or you
and
can
it was
choose,
like,
the
ugh.
past, and I'm just
You
gonna do
should
the
have
past
you
3
should have
years.
done that, bro. But
Then there's
patience.
some
We're
different
over
scenarios
200
that
on
you
the
can choose here,
Coinster
some
now.
different trades. Okay, so if you want to choose just like I want to
That is Bitcoin.
short strangle.
I don't even want to look at
had
Bitcoin
worked.
yet. I feel like it might be over
Okay, over here, I'm gonna
67K.
Short strangle.
I mean, Coinbase is
And we
what
queue
is
up,
going on?
And we can see now also if you
Nvidia
want
at
to, we can
$136.
just
Can you
create our own
imagine?
strategy? Okay, we can make adjustments to
Not
things.
not
So here I'm gonna just
investing
say
until after
30
the election.
Deltas, 30 deltas, and this is
Apple at
choosing the strikes based
236.
on
Meta at
deltas.
587.
Okay, so this is the same as if you were in the trade platform.
Costco
You go down
900
and you're
burger.
selecting a strike, and you look to see what that delta was. It's just an easy way to.
Is
select
Costco a
strikes.
bad investment?
Because,
Like at
you know,
these
what was
prices,
A few
maybe.
years
But
ago, a $300 stock, SPY,
these
is all of a
efforts
sudden a
are
$550
opening
stock.
up in
So
China, and the lines are
deltas is how we're choosing. Then you can choose
to-
your
from Beijing
expirations.
to
Now,
Hong
we tend to
Kong.
talk about 45 days till expiration. By default, it's
Hey,
45
China
days, but you can
loves some
choose this.
Costco,
You
bro.
can
change that if you
can
wanted
change
to,
it to
right?
30 or whatnot. You know, so you have a lot of flexibility here.
300, 400 billion. This is a,
You have
you
some
think this is a
other
$1 trillion
options
company?
here. You
What's
have your entry
Walmart?
conditions,
There was a
and
point,
you have
I
your
know it's
exit
like the
conditions. Now,
90s.
these are the
Walmart had
same-
100 billion
This is
market
the same
cap.
tool
I
that
think
we're
it was
using
like
in our
the first
research
retail
studies.
ever or
So
something, and
you
it
basically
was pretty
be allowed to
insane.
do what we've been doing for the past 10 years.
649 billion.
So here you
Costco's
go,
coming
entry
for you, buddy.
conditions. Now, you have some options
Walmart's
here, two
got
options. One is
a trillion
you can
more
either
stores.
use the exact DTEs. So let's say right now, if you look at SPY.
AMD 160. I haven't
look
looked
at
at
the
that one in a while.
So if you're looking at,
SMCI.
45
This is
days, we
that
actually
one
do
that's
have one
super.
at 45
Oh, this
days.
one. They had a
Yesterday,
10
we
to
would've
1
had one
split.
at
So
46 days till expiration. Well, it wouldn't have come up with the trade
SMLR.
yesterday
This is the
because we
one
only
trying
had
to
one at
be the
46 days
Bitcoin
till
holding
expiration.
company
We
like
had one at 67
MicroStrategy.
days till expiration, another one 39 days
I
till
don't know.
expiration. So
Little
here,
swap
it
meet,
would
Louis.
have waited until today.
Reddit
45 days
doing
till
really
expiration.
well.
So here we just say, okay,
That's
I want to use exact DTE.
let's see,
Okay.
2
We
years.
can
Yeah,
unclick
that's
this and
about
we can
right.
get more number of
An IPO
observations.
comes out.
How many would
Goes
be
up
the max?
really high in the
Basically, we'd just be
beginning, and then
doing it every
typically it
single day.
crashes.
Oh,
That's
wow.
why you want to
The
avoid
idea behind
IPOs.
that is you're just going to get
And if
nice
it's a good
distribution
company,
of
about 2
trades.
years
You can
later,
see what was the best performing, worst
Palantir,
performing.
I need this one
You
to
can also
crash back
say,
down to earth so I can
want
get
to
back
limit
into
the
it
number
later
of active
cheaper.
trades. Okay, so just like you
Netflix
would
is coming back
normally
down to
trade.
earth. Netflix is
Here I'm doing a strangle. I want to
lamest
see how well a strangle would have performed.
streaming company out there.
October 11th, 2021 to October
Square,
10th, 2024. So just like
PayPal,
as of last
Hood.
week.
Hood looking really good.
Okay.
I'm pretty
let's
bullish
say,
Hood, even though I
money's
don't like
unlimited,
Vlad.
so we're going to only do
And I don't like what they did with the
let's
whole
say
Jimmy thing,
one
but
trade.
they're doing some really
So that
smart
means we're
stuff
only going
with
to have one
like
trade open, and
trying
then
to
when
be
the
a
next
bank
one
and a
closes,
broker
when that
and
trade
savings
closes, then we'll
accounts
open up
and
another one. Okay. And we can also just take that off, and every 45 days or any
24
time
billion?
45 days is in the window, it would just
Not
create a
bad.
new one. Okay. Now we have some exit conditions that we can choose. Let's just
Jimmy
keep it all just
2153. Haven't checked in on them in a while.
just,
They're holding up
the
pretty
default,
good.
which is nothing
I
to select.
posted
Okay. So here it
in
comes.
the Discord.
queues
Be
up,
sure to follow me
it's
at
doing the
Mr. Thomas
transaction,
on Twitter.
and it is
Link to the
showing
Discord down below.
the back test.
So that orange line is the back test?
Orange line
Roaring
is the
Kitty
P&L,
had a
the profit
tweet.
and loss for
Said
this
when
short
Roaring
strangle
Kitty
strategy here.
is talking about
you can see
memes,
again
is
the
he
legs
talking
was
about
selling at one
stocks
point
or
at 30
crypto,
delta,
bro?
45 days till expiration, selling a call at 30 deltas, 45 days till expiration over the past 3 years. Okay, so this was a profit.
Looks like meme coin
profit at
season
the
is
bottom.
starting.
Now it did
3 years, correct?
Is Roaring
for
Kitty
3
gonna
years, yeah.
ignite this shit?
Okay. Now we can also make adjustments to try to improve this, and so this
How
is
am I
like
not- is this not-
what we consider paper trading. But paper trading,
Because I was
2024.
following. Oh,
not
this
paper
must be a
trading of
different
20 years ago.
guy, bro.
You can get your results.
Is this
back
not the Jimmy
instantaneous
guy?
To see how well
I don't
the
think that's the
strategy
Jimmy
performed
guy.
over time. So here, if you look, you can see the buy and hold strategy. And it did underperform the buy and hold strategy, but yet buy and hold strategy would have been holding up that money during the entire time.
Yeah, this isn't
You
the
can see
Jimmy
that the average
guy.
profit and loss.
Can you manage early on this thing?
Absolutely.
Lame.
You can see the
What a
max
lame.
drawdown, the return on
Roaring
capital
Kitty. What's
used.
Roaring Kitty?
Now, if you want to go down and look at the details, you can see, okay, for this, we
Twitter
ended up
handle.
with, well, it wasn't all that great. 55%
This guy's a loser.
of the trades were profitable.
Donald Trump goes
so we had
big
18
on
trades, 10 were
Bitcoin.
profitable, 8 with losses. You can see the average
Talk about his
return
coin
per
here in a
trade.
bit.
You can see the average premium collected
Are we gonna
over the past
YOLO?
3 years.
YOLO Dolo?
You can see the premium capture rate. That means how much money we
Speaking of
intended to
Donald
keep
Trump, ooh, his stock's
after
taking off
everything
again.
said and done. And
It
this
got
does
all the way
include
down to
fees.
$12
You can
bucks.
see the fees here were $120.
Why is this thing in Fuego?
We can also look at the logs, and this is very useful because you can see, okay, on
TLT, what are bonds doing? We didn't look.
well that would be the
Up 30
you get
ticks to
$1
120,
course,
almost
and then you also
121.
have your OCC fees, you have your clearing fees, you have all those.
All
other
right, let's talk
contracts you
about
do?
crypto.
What do we say here? Did we say two? Number one, that would have been one. And then you have a buy and a sell. Well, that would be just one. And then you had two trades.
So you have the fees over 3-year period.
Yes.
Oh, got it. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, over the entire
This is
3-year
the most
period. This
logic
So
energy
that's
stream
every
ever.
45 days minus whatever manager. Whatever. Okay, it's all the
Bitcoin's
continual rolls.
67,000, and we've got Chris in the house. How you doing, man? We got
Look at what happened.
we got
okay.
low
October
testosterone
12th, 2021.
all
this is
up
the first
in the
trade,
house
and we
today.
closed it out. Why did we close it out?
Bunch of
Well, it
low
was actually an
testosterone,
exercise, so it looked like it had gone through either the call or
freaking
the put.
sissy
here. And
pantses.
so we got exercise. that
Bitcoin's
position.
67,000.
This one here expired.
Let's
It was
freaking
it was
go,
profit,
dude.
But the first
Giddy
one was a
up.
Loss. We had some
Oh,
losses
let's
here, big
go.
loss here of 36%.
Oh my goodness.
return on
Shit,
investment.
Dono, 36
You can
cents.
just look down and
Ethereum,
you can see what the fees were,
26.44.
the premiums
Come
were.
on, Ethereum. We need some
Maybe
big
we can
pumps
go
out
over
of
here, We
you.
can look at the orders. Okay, so here's another thing.
Larry
that's
Fink's been
interesting
saying a
on this.
lot.
We're
But dude,
looking
this
at it
is
on the
some
most liquid part of the day, which is at 245.
this is some
That is the
impressive pumpage
transaction
coming.
time. So we're not
Total
looking at
crypto
the
market
close,
cap
we're looking at the
2.2.
bid offer spread. And so all
It's
these
starting
trades
to
would
feel
be,
like October
done at
and bull run time, no?
You can see what the credit.
Is this
was.
gonna be
Okay, the
another
first
rug
one,
pull?
We did it at 993.
Or is
We
this
took
time
off
is this
debit,
is this time it's
okay?
it?
And you can look down and you can see all the
I'm feeling like this time it's
orders.
it,
You can
dude.
see
The steam's gonna
transactions too, what
start
exactly
coming.
went on. You
They're
can
gonna
also
start
download each one of these
loading,
pages.
shoveling
So
the coal
if you're
into
kind
the
of a nerd,
Get really
locomotive.
granular here. You could
Oh, yeah.
Then you could take that and put it into an Excel spreadsheet if you wanted to.
Absolutely, because some
The
people have
pressure's
like
starting to
really
build up.
particular, like what they want to do. They want to overlay it with some technical analysis
Or you want to, right,
indicator.
you want to see when the stock.
Let's check
hit
in
your
on my
number
Brett.
if you
We
put
bought
on
some
this
Brett
strategy,
yesterday.
or
That's
you
down
wanna,
to here.
See if a stock had a,
I think in
1%
general,
move in any one day.
You can do
if
all
you
that.
Put on this
I'm looking to
strategy.
buy
Yeah, that's very
some
You can do all that.
memes,
This shows you
maybe.
the daily settlement. So this is just going to show you every
I did hold
single
off on
day
buying the rest
going
for
back
now.
those 3 years, and it's
Took
showing you
Chris's
the P&L for each
advice a
particular
little
day.
bit.
Here it's basically just showing, okay, 4% of the total has been done. And you can see more. And you can show
Artario.
1,000 other days within this test. Now let's go back and let's just
Dog
make some
with hat,
modifications to this
277, doing pretty
particular
good.
trade. So I went back and I just said select.
Where's Mother?
Go back to the previous new back test. So here we can
Mother.
say, let's then exit at 21 days till
Am I
expiration.
not on Solana?
How do you
What's
do
going
that?
on?
Well, we tended to show that historically, once you get close to expiration,
What's this,
your gamma
Tyler?
risk all of a sudden increases. Your theta decay increases significantly, but
Daddy
your gamma risk
Tate?
starts increasing.
What's
So
going on over
say
here,
it,
bro?
hey,
Where's
tends
Mother?
to be,
Seriously.
at about 21 days till expiration, calendar days,
Did she rug
is
pull?
when we kind of like to manage. That's kind of a ballpark. We
I
can
thought
also
this
say,
had a
okay, let's
decent
take
sized
profits
market
at
cap.
a
Is this shit
specific
broke?
premium level.
Sure.
We can say, let's add a stop loss here. Or we can also say, let's just exit at 2 days into the trade. And we can do that.
85
Here
million.
I'm
Why
gonna just
isn't
say
this showing
21
up?
days,
Where is
50% taking profits.
Is it pulling the prices at the end of the day?
Yes,
Is that
at
what it is?
245.
At 245.
Holding up pretty
Yeah,
good.
at
I think you told
245
me to
is when
buy it
it's-
around
it's-
like.
It's assuming
be
that you're
up.
exiting these trades. So it's not doing this on the close, it's doing this at 245, which is
Mother.
the most liquid part of the day.
Perfect.
Okay, so then we can run this back test with those adjustments.
Some
and we can see
coins
how well
aren't
it
showing
did.
up for some reason, like SPX.
In this particular, in managing it,
And
it looked like
shit.
it didn't do as well. But this is always going to vary based
Giga.
on what you're doing, what your expectations are. So if you want to look at, let's say
And
IWM.
I
Go
thought
ahead.
I saw a feature in there when I was playing around with it that, and you may have mentioned it. Forgive me if you did.
Sure.
Where you
SPX.
can close that
88
order and open
million.
another
I was
one
looking to
when
buy
the-
this.
when the
Good thing I
parameters
didn't, I
hit,
guess.
right?
Absolutely.
Like, so if you want to
Pretty
continually
sure Cardano's on
this
this.
type of strategy on, like let's say you're managing
Shit,
at
Dono's on here
25
now.
or 35 or 50% or some number, date and time, and put on another one
Harmony
at the
one.
exact moment with new strikes or the same.
Some pretty lame
strikes,
coins
but
on
they would be
here.
same delta, but they would be new strikes, obviously, because time is
Peg.
gone by. Or go out to a different month. Is that correct or no?
100%.
Okay.
So here, this is what you do for
Vlog,
something like
USA
that. Okay?
Vlogs in the
you wanna
house.
do
How you
this,
doing?
let's just change
Did they
these,
launch
let's just change this up a little bit. Let's just
WLFI?
say-
What?
get really
Is that the
crazy.
Trump
You
coin?
get a
Crazy
little bit
on this.
intricate as opposed to just looking at what a strangle's going to do over 45 days.
Absolutely. If you think that the Russell, for example, you think the Russell is going to go off and is just going to have this huge increase in things,
Yeah,
or you think
I don't
that there's
know,
going to
bro.
be some huge vol spike.
It launches
because of things.
today.
We can get granular in this. We
Let's
can
talk
look
about the
to see
Trump coin.
how a particular
Why, are you wanting to
strategy
buy it?
performed
Are you a
during
big
your
MAGA
type
guy?
of market scenario that you're either expecting, and then you can make an assumption. Okay, this is how it performed in the past.
I'm not a
during-
big.
during
It's
the,
no. It's no.
let's
It's
say,
no
during
secret that I'm not a big fan of meme coins.
the bear market.
I'm not a big
okay?
fan of
See how
like
well this
Trump
strategy
launching
worked
this
on
coin
something like
either.
that.
We don't have
And-
bear market.
It's not a good look
we-
if you
that
ask
just doesn't
me.
happen at all.
Not allowed anymore.
Bit of a
So here, let's just say, I only want to do this
cash
until
grab.
there's
Like I'm all
up to 5
for like
trades,
raising
and then I'm not
cash
gonna
and
put on
stuff,
anymore
but
because, money's
I don't
limited,
know. Like
and that's kind of you're
if
realistic.
people are YOLOing into
Okay.
this and losing
Then you can
money.
just run this scenario during that environment.
Yeah, and if this
And
was
strategy,
anyone
it
else,
outperformed a buy and hold.
like an
Of
exchange or any
course,
like
a buy and hold would have lost money
other
during
person,
during a
the SEC and the
decrease
government
in
would
the
come
overall
after me.
market.
You would think.
But then
They
there's
still
things
might.
that you can do. I mean, obviously, if you think the market's going to
Looks like we're breaking out bull market. Yeah, bro. I was just saying that like 3 minutes ago. Where were you?
So let's see how well that worked during that type of environment, and see how well
Where was? Ooh,
we can make
67.7,
modifications to
dude.
the profit and loss.
I'm getting
and the
bricked like
adjustments
a
of the
mofo
strategies.
right now.
So you get your
I don't know
almost
about you.
instantaneous
Giddy
results here.
the F up.
This is back testing.
Random.
2024.
I know Jason posted something
this the
somewhere.
most-
trading.
Is this the most advanced backtesting platform exists?
It is, I believe, the
I
most
thought.
advanced free backtesting application that's on the
Where's
market
that
right now.
lazy shit?
Has to be the newest technology.
Let's see what
no
we
matter
can
what.
find out.
I'd like to think so.
Actually, real quick, I want
And
to
it's free.
Pete what
It's free as long as you have
do
an
a quick
account.
check on what
Sign up for an
Crypto's
account.
arrest title is
Go
today.
to
Why are most other backtesting
Do
platforms?
you think it's got October in it?
You pay for them?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
almost
yeah,
everything. Almost everything. Almost
Really?
every backtesting out there is like $50 to
Ooh,
$150
Hunger
a
Pain
month.
number 2.
Yeah.
Why
It's
Bitcoin is headed
expensive.
for record
Yeah,
highs.
so-
Man, that's a
$1,000 a
pretty lazy
So you
title.
go over to the tastytrade.com/backtest.
Coin.
Just get started.
Are you looking to
Boom.
buy it, USA? I
Easy,
caveat
easy
emptor
stuff.
like a
Easy.
mofo
Make it
on that
easy.
one.
I want it on the software though.
Well,
Donald
it is
Trump
MS
coin
software, but it's not
has
on
a
the standalone
massive.
application.
Okay,
No,
like,
download
of course
it
it
is
has a
gonna be-
massive difference from
You're just so
Bitcoin. What
excited
kind of
about
an
this. Just wanted
article
to-
is
Wanted to
this?
show everybody it on the web version.
Yeah, I've been beta testing it for a little while. Right?
Decentralized.
Very cool.
While
Very
most
positive
crypto.
results.
Ooh, wow!
How's the
This is
response been from
actually.
our
Maybe I'll
customers?
take back some of the
Fantastic.
things I
We-
said.
we've-
Is this
we're
just
running
a
tens of
straight
thousands of back tests every week?
Beautiful.
cash
Love it.
grab?
Awesome. You're going to be running a lot more after they see this.
Oh,
The
absolutely.
WFL
Good
token
job out of you,
operates
Dad.
within
We're
a
gonna take
larger
quick
DeFi
90-second break. Good
platform.
job out
He's
of the
trying to
whole
keep
team
you
here, too. Let's
Absolutely.
give a little slow
locked
clap
into
for
the
that. Sound up?
ecosystem.
Hey, there's no clapping. This is what you're supposed to do. We're going to take a quick 90-second break and come back. We got more
It's
Tasty Live
intended
after
to
this
serve
with,
as an
a
investment
market
vehicle.
measure. You're
Isn't
supposed to
that
innovate
like
data.
they're literally saying it's a security.
You can get up to $4,000 when you open and fund a new account with Tasty Trade. That's 4,000 bucks.
He's literally saying it's a
Or
security.
clams, 4,000 in dough.
Not
or cheddar,
figuratively.
not the cheesy kind. 4
Literally.
large, 4K, 4 grand, which is no small thing. Open and fund a new Tasty Trade
Investment
account and get
vehicle
on
and a
the platform for
utility
traders
token
who just
empowering
wanna
its holders to
trade.
participate in
And
borrowing,
giving
lending,
you a
and
bonus
governance.
of up to 4,000 smackaroos.
I mean, that's
Tasty
all
Trade.
typical.
Make your move.
Where did it
90% goes
say
to S&P index funds.
it was
10% straight to
non-transferable? While most crypto can be
Is
traded, the
20th Century
WFL
Advice
coin will
driving
be
your 21st century
non-transferable and non.
Tasty Live is joining forces with
Excuse me,
the
yielding.
CME
It just say
and
majority of the
to offer
coins will be
industry's
accredited
first
investors.
multi-exchange trading collaboration.
With 63% of the token supply, you have to be
puts active traders on the path to
accredited
modern
investor
portfolio creation.
means you're
Tom
gonna get
Sosnoff
shit
and other
on,
Tasty
bro.
Live personalities will cover strategies that'll help you integrate futures and options in your portfolio. Sign up at tastylive.com/events and see where we're headed next.
Is that all it takes to be accredited investors? Have a net worth over $1 million? Like you got to
What
fill
are
out
the
a
good
form.
traits of a data scientist?
So I think you have to be inquisitive, right? Extremely good looking. Advice to new traders would be the same thing that I learned when I was young.
Oh, you have
which
to have
is
a
just do
license?
Something very simple.
What?
Buy something. It gets you interested in the markets because you got some money in the game.
There's all sorts of different strategies that we can do to protect
I'm gonna get a
ourselves,
Series
and
7.
It helps us become a more informed trader. So, by the power invested in me
I should do some shit
and
like
Tasty Trade
that.
Nation, I'm going to make you an honorary
A Series
quant in
7,
training
65, or
for fulfilling the
82.
obligations of this 30-minute
Shut up. Oh, Siri woke up. Oh, only one of the requirements. So you can just go get a Series 7. Having net worth exceeding 1 million. Okay. Then what? Like if you have a net worth over 1 million, then what? Apple eater with Rome. What are we spurging about? I don't know. What the? Hold on. I'm kind of dumb, so. Define spurge. It's obsolete. You just make some shit up, bro. To have a fix a raise. This is some slang. Never heard that one. We are talking about Trump coin with a little bit of background noise. Why didn't you guys say something? This entire time Tasty Trade's been going. Ugh. Ricky in the house. How you doing, bro? That is disappointing. I just told you. Like Asperger minus S. We're talking about Trump coin. And apparently, how loud was that Tasty trade, bro? Gosh darn it. That's disappointing. Currently, we're talking about crypto, but we're focused on Trump coin. Trump crypto coin goes on sale. I don't know how you get this. I'm not buying it. They go on sale Tuesday. Looking to raise 300 million. They promised to fire Gary Gensler his first day in office. Unfortunately, he doesn't have the ability to do that. He can try and force him out. You can offer him like a different gig, but the president cannot fire the head of the SEC, unfortunately. And I think the dude is in office till 2026. I don't have these articles are terrible because they don't tell you how to get it, what chain it's on. Oh, it's on Ethereum. No. Ethereum, wrap Bitcoin. What? Oh, it's going to be like Aave. Why would anyone use this? Why would anyone? Can you earn WLFI? Qualified individuals through a whitelist. Telegram. Ugh. All right, let's check in on Bitcoin, which was pumping like a mofo. 67.4. Then we hit 68. 67.9. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? Getting excited with this pump. Is this time different? Oh, I did create a new little technical analysis wedge. It did go right up to it. Technical analysis works. We are above this bull flag. Oh, we went right up to this bull flag. Let me adjust the line so that it works. There we go. Right up to the top of the bull flag, baby. We need to bust out. Some tea leaves for Kurt. We miss Kurt. We are way above the 200, the inverted 20, the inverted 50. The 20 is getting ready to cross the 200, and the 50 is going to turn around. I think this one's it, boys. I think this one's it. And then we're going to do this move right here. And we're going to 114 or so thousand. Add text. Oh, that must be new. Or I've never noticed that before. I got locked out of your crypto account. So how did you get locked out? I feel like this is one of you're a scam artist, aren't you? Yeah, give me your seed phrase and we'll help you figure it out. Come on, Apple Eater, we know the seed phrase is coming. You're putting in you're grinding it hard, aren't you? Let's see. I don't like, maybe they can. I want to see Apple Eater with Rome. Where's the seed phrase, Apple? Hey, baby. Oh, you actually got 48 followers. Doesn't tell when this account. Oh, let's see. When was this account created? I don't know. Maybe you're not a scam artist, but you got scam artist vibes with the account lockout. Thought. This said when like your account was created. No videos. You got awful silent there, Apple Eater. All right. $67.5. No. No, 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 no. Come on, pump. Coinbase 202.86. MicroStrategy a little weak today. Ethereum up $50 on that. How's my favorite meme coin Caspa doing? Ugh. Sorry, Velez. Told you this coin was a joke. Oh my goodness. I'm sure it'll make a comeback, but it's a meme coin, bro. MenSwap, ugh. Jupiter, doing okay. Osmosis, ugh. How are the memes doing? Doge up a bit, Sheeb up a bit. Caspa is holding up. Ah, that's some cope right there, bro. That is some cope. I mean, you're up, right? You're up big, but I mean, it's holding up, I guess. I mean, it's back to where it was right here. I don't look. Do I think this will go up and you'll make money? Yes. Do I think it has long-term viability? Nope. If Bitcoin hits 70K, we're airdropping Jewel. Who gives a shit, dude? Another cat's fighting outside. Took a picture with Michael Jordan. Unfortunately, came out blurry. Can someone please? Oh my goodness. That has got to be devastating. You get a picture with Michael Jordan shaking his hand and he's actually being cordial. Ain't no party like a BTC party. You got that right, bro. Yeah, this is weird. What can you explain this to me, Ricky? A lot of people are tweeting this. Ain't no cope. Grayscale adding it to its fund. That means nothing. Breaking, Kamala officially vows to protect cryptocurrency investments so black men who make them know their money is safe. I don't know. That's a weird. Did she like say that verbatim or people just. Chicken Genius, how I see BTC. Still a move towards 67 is highly probable. Well, you got that right. Hotspot liquidations, max effery, hard resistance, China stimulants, retail will see a breakout. There we go. Only future millionaires will like this tweet. Why am I following this guy? He's a loser. Loser wannabe. We're at Ramble Time. I posted about this guy yesterday. This guy, man. He was a Ravens fan, and he was on video going around just stealing on people. No one will get that but Jason. I know Ricky won't get it, even though he says he's black. He was going around just hitting fans. He'd see a Washington fan and would just hit him. Thought I posted this. Maybe not. It was, oh yeah, this guy. It was pretty ugly, bro. And the internet, he's been fired. He's probably going to prison. Look at this guy.
Do we got a straggler? 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 I don't lose. Do we got a straggler? Do we got a straggler? Do we got a straggler? Do we got?
Dude, that guy got laid out. That's a shame. I mean, he was probably drunk. But, I mean, that just like... I've done some dumb shit drunk, so... I don't know that I've never, like, walked up to people and just started... Anyway, fired. Like, his high school and LinkedIn job, like, they all pulled down their websites because they were getting overloaded with traffic. And he is screwed. This is really funny. The Joe Biden corn maze. You need me to explain this to you, Ricky? Why this is so funny? That's literally one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life. How does Elon Musk have time to play video games so much? Bitcoin is breaking out. Top of the channel, moment of truth. I think we're going to break 70K by the end of the stream. Some big words. We're tanking. We're tanking, boys. That's all right. I think it's going to heat back up. Starlight. That got me a little bricked up. Cardano's Trump, Solana's Kamala. Is it annoying to anyone else that they use this picture of Kamala from like 15 years ago where she looks good-ish? Stop the truck. Oh, how about you give me some exercises I can do? Yeah, I've been chained to a chair for like 20 years, 25 years, bro. My hips are effed. Dear Black Friday, we all have big TVs now. Put them groceries on sale. That's pretty funny. Speaking of groceries. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. No. Why would you go to the... He probably doesn't have a choice in the matter. It will a conditional third round pick. They can go to a second round pick. That's, I guess. Green Bay Part 2, Green Bay version 2 with Brees Hall. What? This 123K Jets parlay better as cash out for 5.5K. Did he keep YOLOing it? Speaking of betters, where's Peter been lately? Michael Johnson, Jimmy Turner. Guys, I'm freaking hungry. Maybe I should buy some eggs today. I don't like eggs, but they're good for you. I don't hate eggs. They just kind of disgust me. Timmy Turner. Is toilet paper back in stock yet? Yeah. Filthy animals. Nope. The Charmin expensive shit is. Mm-hmm. My guacamole is freaking expensive. They don't have the beef back in. $18. They're out of their effing fudging mind. Let's see. Organic blueberries, $11. Holy shit, bro. The broccoli's been shit lately. Eggs, $9.50. Not bad for 24. Avocados, 6 something. They're down a little bit. I'm going to buy some because they're so good for you. So healthy. Timmy Turner. All right. What's my total? 21.51. Well, I'm going to buy some more shit, bros. Oh, I don't have the... All right. I'll finish that order later. You've been using Scott's? Scott's is the worst toilet paper on the planet, bro. It's like one-ply sandpaper. You have to like fold it 30 times. And it's the worst. It's like 400 grit sandpaper, bro. 800 grit sandpaper. You think these Trump assassination attempts are real, or are they just making these up because it gets them voters? I wouldn't put it past them. That's all I'm saying. Just in, 47% of Ethereum's outflows directed to SWI. Which chain is better? What the shit can you do on Sui, bro? Everyone says Sui's so great. Let's do a little bit of recon. Oh, it's fast. It's the new Solana. All right. 360. No. 1.44 billion. TVL. No one's deciding their vote on who's been shot more. Some people will. They'll get all patriotic. So there's lending. I don't really see anything over here that seems like it's great. This is just all hype, bro. The TVL's gone up because the price has gone up. What has it actually done as in the coin? It's gone down. TVL's Sui is flowing out of the ecosystem, bro. I don't know shit about, I know some things about this coin, but this one just reeks of influencer pump and get dumped on your face. I talked about this in the Discord. BlackRock Larry Fink literally just said he expects Bitcoin to be as big as the entire U.S. housing market, which is 50 trillion. When you order, you guys who called it a Temu something last week? I know what Temu is now. Holy shit, says Pat McAfee. He's probably talking about Devontae. All right, Bitcoin. We're holding above 67 at the moment. I don't know, boys and girls. I feel like this is one of the lowest testosterone streams I've ever done. And Bitcoin's over 67,000. You guys got low T today. I got low T. I bet there isn't even like 3 likes. Nope, there's 3 likes. I apologize. Only 4 low T's in the house. I don't know what it is. Something in the air? Something in the air tonight? What is tonight? Tuesday? What do we got tonight? Well, Bad Monkey's done, so I don't have anything to watch tonight. Any new shows out worth watching? High Potential. I won't be able to see that till tomorrow. I can finish Kill Tony, which was kind of a weak episode. I don't got a whole lot of time left on that. Do you know how to use a Zener diode? Penguin is getting good. That show looks dumb, bro. Yeah, this show looks stupid. It's got an 8.8. I don't know if I can, like, is it all depressing and shit? I don't know. I might check it out. It's the best show on TV, according to this nerd. Christy Milioti. She looks familiar. Yeah, I know her. I like her. How I Met Your Mother. She was the mother, wasn't she? Abigail? That sounds familiar. Why are you asking me if I know how to use a Zener diode, bro? They don't have Zener diodes in Rust. That little girl does an excellent job. I'll rejoice when BTC is over 75K. I'll be doing a dance at jig, that's for sure. This chick's kind of like low-key hot. Sexy. You need to install some on what? Are you working on some kind of circuit board or something? No. You an electrical engineer? Taking electrical engineering classes? What do we got going on over here? Abigail, that sounds familiar. The film? Angus Cloud? He seems familiar. I mentioned yesterday I watched 21 and 22 Jump Street over the weekend. Such good movies. Is this what we're talking about, Jason? It's on Prime? Oh, it's on Peacock? I'm not... Well, Peacock, if you watch movies, you just have to watch like 3 minutes of commercials. Oh, she's a vampire. I like vampire shit. Is this what we're talking about? Wait, is she not a vampire? She has vampire teeth, but there's nothing about... she's got some... That grill's weird as... Yes. Is she a vampire? Oh, Gus is in it. I've been thinking about maybe rewatching Breaking Bad. Oh, Angus Cloud. Yeah, this guy looks from... No, maybe I don't know who this is. Yeah, I don't know this guy. Gotta watch it. Is she a vampire? Oh, I gotta watch it. You're not gonna tell me? 12-year-old ballerina girl, a powerful underworld figure. This seems like it's like one of those like horror type films that I typically don't like, but this looks pretty good. Oh, the trailers give it away, so don't watch the trailer. Film is tremendously bloody. I typically don't like that type of shit. Yeah, I might have to check this out. This isn't... I like vampires, but I don't like over-the-top gore. I mean, I can do it. Doing it and doing it and doing it. We're losing it, boys. Right in front of our faces. No matter how you slice the tech. Oh, we're going to come down and back test. All right, that's good. We're going to go. No, I mean, that's a long ways down, though. Let's find a better back test. We went right up to it, boys. Two different technical analysis charts. We went right at exactly as my lines predicted. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wrap this up. I don't feel like I got optimal rocket fuel sleep. Let me tell you. In fact, let me take some more caffeine. And this guy is not worth 2 first-round picks, bro. Max Crosby's good. Are you kidding me? You're two first rounds. You're out of your freaking mind. I mean, the Raiders would definitely probably take that. Is Aiden Hutchinson, like, is his career over or something? If Bitcoin hits 70K, Solana hits 170, and ETH hits 27, we're following everyone who replies to this. I'm going to post something similar. If Bitcoin hits 100K by noon today, I'm going to give everyone in the chat a Bitcoin. I mean, I'm obviously not, but heat map shows 19 billion shorts to liquidate at 67. Well, why wasn't there a short squeeze at 67? Did they pile it on hard? Tim Tebow, let's go. That's a lot of weight, bro. What is that, like 600? No. How much are those? I have no idea. Those are different weights. Looks like a lot of weight. Probably at least like 300 pounds. Can we tell? 75? No. I think kilograms. No, 75 pounds? That would be 400, like almost 500 pounds. Yeah, he's got some big legs. Fake. Trump going to be on Rogan's show with Charles Hoskinson. You can use Paris. Quitting alcohol is easy, bro. Yam 4, this thing's still a thing. Weren't you bullish Yam 4, Jason? Knock knock Bitcoin, currently trading at resistance. Where's Shardy B at? Yep, this dude got fired. Minneapolis Fed says Bitcoin remains worthless after 12 years. I mean, biggest clown. Like, how can you allow someone to be in the Fed president? It looks like Bitcoin's worth We're below 66 now, guys. It's red. It was such a good morning. Cryptos are a chore. Yeah. Yeah, bro. We need that. We need that. Like, I want it for a few reasons. One, just my mental health, you know. I want to be able to go into this holiday season being happy. It's been 4 long years, bro. You haven't checked it out in a while. Do you own some of the tokens still? I'm ready to be happy. Wake up. USDM with a lot of volume after their Twitter got hacked. 8 million market cap. Snack at 74 million market cap. 2 different MEL tokens. Someone explain that to me. NTX at 19 million. MinSwap at 19 million. Ugh. India at 10 million. What's Liquid at? Remember when I said Liquid was a really good coin at 8 million? It's at 23 million. I bought Nike instead, like a dum-dum. Spring out of that bed with some gusto. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. I get to hear Devontae Adams has gotten traded 50 million times on Twitter. Look at this. The crypto dog, absolute mayhem. Market turned into a full-blown scam in minutes. Oh, that was 3 hours ago, bro. What's the stock market doing? Ugh. Oh, shit. Coinbase down. Dude, this market is dumping. Come on. Come on. Nasdaq's down 230, bro. What the fudge? Everything's crashing. This is not good. Started off such a good day, bro. Such a good day. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's holding up pretty good. Israel strike. Jets are getting Devontae. I don't know, bro. No one's saying anything on Twitter. If that Roaring Kitty, is this the same Roaring Kitty? I don't think this is the same Roaring Kitty, is it? Is this guy isn't posting videos and talking about, yeah, this guy's a poser. He follows me? What? All right, I'll continue to follow you. I don't like the fact, join January 2022. I don't think this is the Roaring Kitty. Isn't his name like Gill? Keith Gill, at Keith Gill or some shit like that. There's no way this is his account, right? If I, yeah, okay. Cybertruck after 1 week in Chicago. Adams must be a first or second team All-Pro. Well, that's not going to happen. On the active roster for the AFC Championship game of the Super Bowl, that's not going to happen. I mean, maybe second team All-Pro, maybe. Skip says Devontae won't be able to save the Jets. I agree. They missed the field goal. You can't tell. It might not have missed. You got to be under it. Plus, you're showing your TV at an angle. As long as the ball, like the ref's right under it. So if some of the ball's not visible, that looks like a good field goal to me. Plus, you can't tell exactly where it is. Like right there, if it's right above the goalpost right there, which it might be, that's a good field goal, bitch. Bunch of Jet loser idiots. I can't even reply. Not that it would matter. Oh my goodness, Devontae Adams trade. Garrett Wilson stock down in a major way. Yeah. Jonathan Slater says, look, I'm straight, but if I wasn't.
These beautiful things that I take. These beautiful.
I don't know. This is why I love crypto. This market is wild. All right. Let's get back into pump it up. All right, guys. Neo-Nazis join. Hail Trump. Heil Trump. All right, boys and girls. I'm going to wrap it up. Bitcoin 65.7. NASDAQ down 215-ish. E-mini S&P down 21. That's my time. You've been great. If we break 80K Bitcoin, I'll stream tonight. Otherwise, I'll catch you tomorrow. Come out of the nope, that's tomorrow. Taco Tuesday.